Welcome back to English Boost Every Day, everyone. Today's episode is all about building your confidence and transforming your English learning experience. And guess what? You will learn 5 things you should do. In this session, we're diving deep into how self-belief influences language acquisition, how to overcome negative self-talk, and what strategies you can use to cultivate a positive mindset. I'm Michael, your host, and I'm thrilled to be joined by our expert guest, Sarah, who specializes in motivational techniques and mindset shifts for language learners. Let's jump right in.
Hi, everyone. I'm really excited to be here. Confidence is absolutely crucial in language learning because it empowers you to take risks, make mistakes, and ultimately improve your skills. Today, we'll share 5 essential strategies that will help you overcome negative self-talk, visualize success, set achievable goals, draw inspiration from success stories, and embrace daily self-reflection. Let's get started with our first strategy.
Our first essential strategy is overcoming negative self-talk. Many learners are held back by a constant inner critic that tells them they're not good enough. Sarah, why is it important to tackle this negative self-talk? And how can our listeners begin to change their mindset?
Great question, Michael. Negative self-talk can create a mental barrier that stops you from speaking up or trying new things. The key is to recognize when these thoughts occur and challenge them with positive affirmations. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'm terrible at English," immediately counter it with, "I'm improving every day, and every mistake is a learning opportunity." Writing down these affirmations and repeating them daily can gradually replace self-doubt with self-belief. It's about shifting your focus from what you lack to what you're gaining with every practice session.
That's such an important point. Now let's move on to our second strategy, visualization techniques. Visualization helps you imagine success and primes your mind for achievement. Sarah, can you explain how visualization can enhance your learning experience?
Absolutely. Visualization involves creating a clear mental picture of your desired outcome. For instance, before you start a speaking session, take a few moments to imagine yourself confidently conversing in English, whether it's in a meeting or a casual conversation with a friend. Picture every detail: the tone of your voice, the clarity of your words, the smiles on people's faces. This mental rehearsal not only boosts your confidence, but also conditions your brain to perform better. It's a powerful tool to reduce anxiety and create a positive mindset before you even start speaking.
That's fantastic advice. Visualization truly sets a positive tone for your practice. Moving on, our third essential strategy is setting clear, achievable goals. When you set specific targets, you give yourself direction and motivation. Sarah, what steps should learners take to create effective goals?
Setting clear goals is essential. I recommend using the SMART criteria. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of a vague goal like improve my English, set a target such as learn and correctly use 20 new vocabulary words each week. Breaking your larger learning objectives into smaller, manageable tasks makes the process less overwhelming and more motivating. And once you achieve these smaller goals, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment that builds your overall confidence.
Absolutely. Small wins lead to big successes. Now, let's discuss our fourth essential strategy, learning from success stories. Hearing about others who have overcome challenges can be incredibly inspiring. Sarah, how can real-life success stories help boost our confidence?
Success stories provide tangible proof that improvement is possible. When you hear from other learners who once struggled but eventually achieved fluency, it can be incredibly motivating. I encourage you to read testimonials, watch interviews, or even follow social media groups where learners share their journeys. These stories show that setbacks are temporary and that persistence pays off. They remind you that every learner faces challenges, and with consistent effort, you too can overcome them. Drawing inspiration from these experiences can energize you to push through your own difficulties.
Inspiring indeed. And finally, our fifth essential strategy is practicing regular self-reflection. Reflecting on your progress helps you understand what's working and where you need improvement. Sarah, what practical tips do you have for incorporating self-reflection into your daily routine?
Self reflection is key to continuous improvement. I suggest keeping a language learning journal where you write down your thoughts, challenges, and successes after each study session. Spend a few minutes at the end of the day reviewing what you learned and how you felt during your practice. Ask yourself questions like, what went well today? And what can I improve on tomorrow? This not only reinforces your learning, but also helps you identify patterns in your progress and areas that need extra focus. Over time, this reflective practice will build your self-awareness and enhance your overall confidence in using English.
Let's quickly recap the 5 essential strategies to boost your confidence in English learning. 1. Overcome negative self-talk. Replace self-doubt with positive affirmations. 2. Use visualization techniques. Imagine yourself succeeding to set a positive tone for practice. 3. Set clear, achievable goals. Break your learning into manageable, measurable objectives. 4. Learn from success stories. Draw inspiration from others' journeys to motivate yourself. 5. Practice self-reflection. Keep a journal and regularly review your progress to build self-awareness.
Exactly, Michael. By implementing these strategies, you'll create a positive mindset that will not only enhance your English skills, but also empower you in every aspect of your life. Confidence is the key to unlocking your potential, and each of these steps will help you build the resilience and self-belief you need for success.
Before we wrap up today's episode, I want to encourage all our listeners to start applying these tips right away. Whether you're practicing affirmations in the morning, visualizing your success before a study session, or writing in your journal at night, every small effort will add up to significant improvement in your confidence and language skills.
Absolutely. Remember, every challenge you overcome and every positive thought you cultivate brings you one step closer to mastery. Embrace these techniques, and over time, you'll see your English improve in ways you never thought possible.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Sarah, and thank you to all our listeners for tuning in. If you found today's episode helpful, please check out our previous videos on speaking, listening, vocabulary, and writing to further enhance your English journey. We update our channel daily with fresh, engaging content, so be sure to visit every day.
Yes, please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode, like this video if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our community grow and inspires us to keep delivering empowering language tips.
That's right. So as you leave today's session, keep these 5 essential strategies in mind. Overcome negative self-talk, use visualization, set clear goals, learn from success stories, and practice self-reflection. With these tools, you're well on your way to building a positive mindset and achieving English success.
Keep believing in yourself, stay motivated, and embrace every opportunity to learn and grow. Your journey to English mastery starts with the confidence you build today.
Thank you again for joining us on Confidence Boost. Build a positive mindset and achieve English success today. Don't forget to check out our previous episodes for more practical language tips, subscribe for daily updates, and share this podcast with your friends and family. Together, we're building a vibrant community of confident English learners.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay positive, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode with more inspiring insights and actionable tips.
Until next time, this is Michael, with Sarah by my side, signing off. Have an amazing day and keep boosting your confidence on your English journey.